we offer technology-leading solutions designed to detect, track, identify, and mitigate drone threats swiftly and effectively, all while creating no interference with our communication and navigation signals, no false alarms, and no collateral damage. Our integrated solutions combine state-of-the-art sensors, advanced protocol analytics, and rapid response capabilities to ensure a proactive defense against unauthorized drone activity. Our technology can handle any situation under any condition, including noisy, urban, and dense environments. Here's how it works. The system is easy to assemble and dismantle and is ready to use within minutes. It comes in various deployment types according to your needs, such as a portable, fixed, or mounted solution. And now, let's see it in action. An unknown drone operator is flying several drones into the restricted area. Within seconds, the system recognizes the drones that aren't allowed to fly in this area and the ones that do, and automatically pairs with the unauthorized drones to turn their original remote controls inoperative, mitigates them, landing them in a predefined area. The entire process is automated, eliminating the need for human decision-making. Any other drone that is authorized to fly is ignored and can continue with its mission. Sentrycs' system integrates seamlessly with existing security systems, enhancing drone defense without disrupting operations. To learn more about how Sentrycs can safeguard your operations, contact us today. Fostering a safe and secure drone-empowered future.